I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive.
Are you afraid of brushing your hair? Do they fall like crazy when you start brushing them? Are you afraid of using iron and hairsprays because they are too weak? Are you losing your hair from the roots? Are you getting bald day by day? Well, a lot of problems, and an answer is quite simple. Oiling, oiling, and oiling. Don't leave your scalp as it is, otherwise you won't be able to see your hair anymore. And believe me, goodbyes are always tough. As you all know that I always share my grandma's secrets with you guys, so today I will share a secret recipe to get rid of all hair-related problems, like hair fall, hair loss, bald patches, weak hair, alopecia, and dead hair roots. Today I am preparing an oil which will boost your hair growth and helps to grow your hair directly from the roots. So let's start preparing this oil, but before that, please like this video to support me. Add around a half cup of cold pressed coconut oil in a saucepan. Next, add fresh cubes of aloe vera leaf. Only fresh aloe vera will work. The market one will not give effective results. Note, these instructions are given by my grandma, so I am sharing the genuine information as it is. Next, add a tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, which are also known as methi, I guess. You can get this from any herbal store or grocery store. Now, heat the oil for the next 4 to 5 minutes, and after that, turn the flame off and leave it as such for the next 24 hours. And the next day means after 24 hours we will strain the oil and it's ready to use. Note, you can store this oil for a month in any airtight container. Next, I will share the application method, but before that, please like this video to support me. Now, dip your fingertips in it like this as you see in the video. Now, start massaging your scalp using your fingertips. Note, if you have long nails, find someone else for the massage step. Just make sure to massage evenly, as we want the oil to penetrate deep in your scalp. Massage itself stimulates the hair growth, but this oil will double the results and you will notice a visible difference after the 3rd or 4th use. Massage your scalp well for the next 10 to 15 minutes, and after that, tie your hair in a bun and leave this oil in your scalp for the next 2 hours. After that, you can wash your hair, but remember to use sulfate-free shampoo to wash your hair. Baby shampoo will also work, but sulfate-free is best. And remember, scented shampoos are a big no. Note, you have to use this remedy 3 times a week, and once your hair fall has stopped and your hair started growing long, that doesn't mean you should stop using the oil. Add this oil to your hair care routine so that you won't ever face any hair-related problems in the future. If you like this video, then do remember my grandma in your prayers, and I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.